All that for these two culprits here. Removing the old parts was pretty simple and straightforward. Installing the new ones, not so much. So I'm going to start installing the new parts on my Jeep Wrangler on Miss Raven. So I'm going to install the thermostat, the new thermostat first. I am looking at the Ziploc sandwich bag that I have my bolts in, and I left myself some notes. So as you can see, you may not be able to read my writing, but that says thermostat, long one on top. So it's two bolts. The longest one is going to go on the top. I have to leave myself notes. So when I removed these from the thermostat, I thought one was just longer than the other one. I even made a note, long one on top. So this is the one I thought was the shorter one, and this is the one that I thought was the longer one. Not knowing that when I removed it, it actually broke off at the bottom. All right, let's go try a hand at it.
Take Scotch-Brite and clean it.
So this is not going as planned. Ended up having to loosen the serpentine belt, removing the alternator, as well as the coolant valve port. So this is the part that I had the bolt to break off in. Ended up just taking it off. Couldn't drill it out. It's in there pretty good. So ended up just ordering a new one of these. I think it's called the coolant valve port. But anyway, it's the housing for the thermostat. So that's the next step. So for the second time, I'm looking for my phone and just remembered that I left it under the hood. So the next thing I'm gonna do is attach my fan to the new radiator. And there we go. Attach fan to radiator. So now I got these bolts ready to go. All right, so I have now attached the fan to the new radiator. The only thing that's holding me up now is trying to get the broken bolt out of the thermostat housing. Thank y'all for rocking and riding with me. Y'all be blessed.